It's International Workers' Day. This is the day where workers reflect on how they've worked the previous year and look forward on how they can improve their working relations with their employers. We talked to Winnie Magagula, who explained the importance and the significance of this very important day. The minister, Winnie Magagula, was born on this very same day.
And we can see a milestone that we have covered, especially coming from the employers and the workers. The workers have put so much effort into uplifting the economy of this country. You can see the infrastructure, you can see the economy is growing. We're trying to create more jobs. Now the major issue is the issue of job creation and the youth. And as Swaziland, we are proud that we are part of such international organs that we celebrate this day in terms of the workers, that they can look back, especially in Swaziland, and look at their achievements and also chart their way forward, what they intend to do. It is indeed a day for celebration for the workers. And as government, we encourage this spirit of dialoguing, the spirit of social dialogue that we have engaged in a very high gear. And we are saying to the workers of this country, let us come together, let us make our country a better place to be in. And where we are, in the meetings where we go, we are told every now and then that there's no country like Swaziland in Africa. It is indeed the Switzerland of Africa. So this the world has recognized, even within forums beyond our borders. And we are very proud that the workers have made us proud as government, and also putting so much effort. And as they celebrate their day today, together with my birthday, we wish them good celebrations. We wish them good celebrations. In fact, that we have proper legislation in Swaziland that takes care of the issues of workers. And recently, Parliament, both houses have passed the bill. It's just waiting for the final stage where we have started recognizing domestic workers. It does not mean that domestic workers are those that work in our, assist us in our houses. Even the people that look after your cattle, the people that drive your tractors, the people that do your gardening. We have, as Swaziland, agreed that these people also need to be compensated, and they need to have benefits as well.
We take this moment to say happy birthday to the Minister of Labour and Social Security, Mrs. Winnie Magagula, and to say happy Workers' Day to all the workers in the kingdom. Mbongwa Nxumalo with Mbongwa Dube for Swazi TV News.